how to report abuse or harassment on NGL. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if someone is sending you harassment messages or is abusing you, then if you want to report it, head over to your NGL app and then go to inbox, and then you will see the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on it and then head over to settings. Now scroll down and under more you can see I need help. Just tap on it and it will open up their Gmail. Now, as you can see, that help at nglapp.com is automatically opened up. So, your from your Gmail address, you'll need to send the message reporting the abuse and harassment. You can see the subject is I need help, and your iOS user ID is already copied. Now, you just need to see who is harassing you and what kind of message they are sending you. You can even attach the screenshot for proof and then send it, and then NGL app will get back to you within few hours and they will help you stop the abuse and harassment. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.